Let me I will smash you on your track. Say I won't. You won't. Let's get it. Let's get it. You playing game.
Hey, play that bit over. Play that bit over. Play that bit over.
What's the fucking swag? Let's get it.
Let me get next to that bit, bro.
Swag.
Yeah.
Damn, would go on. What? For real, for real.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Yeah. 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 Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I got so much time.
Nigga talking gang, mob ain't got no mob.
Yeah.
Me and my niggas come in this bitch.
Cottonmouth.
Chopper lay it
Smoke,
down.
you know what I'm saying? The little niggas think they got something, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Real nigga shit. You ain't got nothing. Hey, it's Yank Mob, nigga. I just showed up. Where's the Hennessy, nigga? I need pulled up. I got to drink something. I got to smoke something. These niggas talking a lot, but they ain't saying nothing. I push the button on boys and hit record. Bitch ass niggas, you're broke. You can't afford. I got a whole stove. Back in the game, I was broke, fucked up, and I ain't have no clothes. But now, nigga, got hoes. I got bitches. I'm on my shit, nigga. I'm stacking riches. And Jay Gutter, your whole clique suck dick. These little niggas ain't never said shit. The best I heard was the song Nicki. It sound pretty. And I ain't lying, nigga, and I ain't trying, nigga, but I crucified you 9 times, nigga. You little niggas live.
The blues you too. I ain't never been lame, always about my fucking money.
Swag.
Let me hear the beat. Hey, play that beat.
Just drop that shit.
Man, drop that beat. Drop that beat.
Swag.
Yeah, that was up.
On some real nigga shit.
That beat too high class, man.
Oh. Yup.
You not ready for that kind of sweat.
Cottonmouth. Been smoking, you know what I'm saying?